ಯಸ್ಯ ನ ಅಹಂಕೃತೋ ಭಾವಃ. ಭಾವಃ, that is the master key word here. ಯಸ್ಯ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ನ ಲಿಪ್ಯತೆ ಹತ್ವಾ ಅಪಿ ಸಹ ಇಮಾನ್ ಲೋಕಾನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೋಕ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನಶಕ್ತಿ. ಲೋಕಃ, not that loka, this loka, surga loka, not in that sense. ನ ಹಂತಿ ನ ನಿಬಧ್ಯತೆ. ನ ಹಂತಿ ನ ನಿಬಧ್ಯತೆ. ಭಾವೇತು ವಿದ್ಯತೆ. As we feel like that we do, as we do, like that we yield. This is the real cause and effect series. ಕಾರ್ಯ ಕಾರಣ ಭಾವ ಮಾಲ. ಕಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಾರಣಂ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ. ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ವೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಜಗಚ್ಚಕ್ರಂ ಪ್ರವರ್ತತೆ. In this chapters, everything structured, all 12 aspects are structured on this three guna module. three guna module. तीन गुणों के सिद्धांत के आधार पर जगत चक्र चलता रहता है. ऊपर से नीचे से ऊपर को आता है, जाता है. Then what about in individual level? At individual level, what it is? For all these consequences, the main root cause is our mind. If mind is ego-stricken, as is the mind, so is the intellect. As is the intellect, so is its impact. Kunti, the great mother of Pandavas, she was ready to give company to Gandhari, Dhritarashtra Gandhari. They decided to go in exile, Vanaprastha, after so much Mahayuddha, Mahabharata Yuddha took place. But Pandavas were preparing for a great historic event of coronation, पट्टाभिषेक. धर्मराज का महापट्टाभिषेक के लिए तैयारी. किंतु माता राजमाता कुंती वन जाने के लिए, वानप्रस्थ के लिए, धृतराष्ट्र और गांधारी के साथ चलने के लिए she was preparing. So all Pandavas were in so much deep sense of agony. दुख निमग्न हो गए. गिड़गिड़ा आता है युधिष्ठिर माता के सामने. इतने वर्ष बीत गए. हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? नो डे वेर यू वर हैप्पी एंड इन द कंपनी ऑफ your sons, no happy days. Now that day is awaited. So the great coronation of Yudhishthira, Samrajya Sthapana then is awaited. So don't go. Please bless us on that occasion. That is what Dhamaraja was requesting. But she determined, decided to go. Then he requested, Mother, we are going to take the responsibility of this great Kuru Samrajya, so that what is your message to us? Dhamaraja is requesting. That statement is very great for all psycho study wale. मनोवैज्ञानिक दृष्टि से व्यवहार पथ में जाने वाले, those who want to go on that pathway, psychologically, positively structured dharmic जीवन. So she tells that message is like this: धर्मे ते धीयताम बुद्धि मनस्ते महदस्तु च. This is a statement from Mahabharata. For you, Yudhishthira, the only formula for success is make your mind free from ego, broader, all accommodative, all inclusive, that type of broad national highway type mind you develop. Manaste mahadastu. Then your buddhi will be in dharma adhisthita. As our mind is so inclusive and broader, like that our buddhi will be shuddha. Otherwise we become victims to our own ego, which leads to so much chaos. That is the real core of it. So this message given to the great Yudhishthira Maharaja by his own mother Kunti, the great mother of that time, that is the real message to all of us. Oh.
Now after Shanti Mantra, I request Bharati ma'am to hoist the flag today. Close your eyes. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.